Hi, I'm Chris Palmer. Welcome to Chris's workshop. Today I'm going to show you how to change a blade on the compound miter saw. A nice, fresh, sharp blade is a beautiful thing. It'll reduce tear out, make cleaner cuts, and be a safer tool to use. When it's time to put that new blade on, the first thing you want to do is unplug the tool. Make sure there's no power to it. Next, you remove the blade cover. There's one screw that exposes the nut I need. I'm going to break it with this, and without the spindle lock my blade would just spin, see? So I come over to this side of the saw and hold in the spindle lock, and that locks the blade in place. So I broke the tension with the spindle lock. Now the nut is finger loose. Remove it all the way from the saw, and then remove the collar. It's a big heavy duty collar right there. Pull my blade guard out of the way. And there's the blade. Put your new blade back on. Put your collar back on. Tighten up the nut. Make sure you tighten up all the safety covers that you loosened up, and your blade is all changed and you're ready to cut. My name is Chris Palmer. That's how you change the blade on your compound miter saw.